Hello kids! Today let's trace small letters using only one color, black color. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel. So let's start.
A for ambulance. B for bus. C for car. D for drum. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for ink pot. J for juice. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ostrich. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for x-ray. Y for yellow. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.